So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy a gold ETF here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Once you guys are here, go to the top search bar and I want you to type in ticker symbol CGL. Now there are other ETFs that offer sort of the same thing, but just for this demonstration, I'll show you guys through the BlackRock ETF of CGL. So go ahead and press this one right here. So once you guys are here, you can go ahead and select the account you want to buy the gold ETF in. So if you go to the bottom left, press on select an account. In my case, I can select my FHSA, my TFSA, or my non-registered. I'll just use my non-registered as an example. And then go to the bottom right and press on buy. Now once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and do a market buy. You can go to the top right and do a market limit, stop limit, recurring, whatever the case may be. You can also go ahead and type in the amount you're looking to buy. So if you wanted to invest, for example, $10 into gold, 10 shares in this case is $300. You can swap this around right here, so you can do the opposite. So if you wanted to do, as I mentioned before, $10, that's roughly 0.32 shares. So if all looks good and you want to proceed, press on review. Then before you guys can review your order, you guys can see it right here. Go to the bottom, press on Q order, and it'll fill it either when the market's open or whenever you guys set the buy to. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That is how you guys can buy a gold ETF here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.